We are absolutely thrilled to be here, and we have, I think, a nice little kind of informal conversation, and we'll have some time for questions at the end. Okay, Sid, so let's actually start with you. Talk a little bit about kind of the origins of Theory and a bit of what Andrew would say on how this brand and this company came about.
It's a company that was built on a pant, on the idea of a pant, and has since become about icons. And what our work is, and Martin leads the creative vision for menswear. Obviously we have a women's division and as well as a burgeoning accessories division, is to take that ethic and to put it into the products of tomorrow. We marry a state-of-the-art manufacturing platform with what are arguably the finest fabrics and raw materials in our segment.
And the inspiration sources, when I start creating the line, I work with my team, we start building boards, and we were looking a lot at American arts. I myself have a big interest in the arts, and usually the weekend you find me in a gallery, and that's where I found the color inspiration and a lot of textures. And for spring, we wanted to do something that felt a little bit soft and a little bit tactile. So we looked to a great American artist called Sean Scully, who makes wonderful oil paintings, and from there we picked a lot of shades of blue, some bright orange, and then some terracottas. And as you will see in your buy, some soft pinks, some beautiful, soft, dusty gray pinks that together with some soft blues really lifts the collection a lot. So the first look you see here is our new neoprene track set. It comes here in a charcoal gray. And one of the sort of big themes that we were looking into for this line was the great American classics. The utilitarian pieces that comes from workwear, military, and then of course sportswear. So this varsity jacket you see here, it comes in a matte coated leather, which gives it kind of like a unique modernity. And the snaps are covered with leather as well, so it has a very clean and minimal expression. The second look here is also part of our more sort of active inspired line. We're working a lot with combo fabrics. This fabric that you can see here we call Terrain. It's a high-performance fabric with lots of properties and works in great effect when it's paired back to a knit. Here we have one of my favorite pieces of the line, our suede bomber jacket, another one of those sort of great American classics that we wanted to have in the line for spring. This season we felt for like a flat-collared bomber jacket. And suede as a material as well felt soft and tactile, complementing the colors we have very well. It's worn with the Peterson pant in our neoteric fabric. The neoteric fabric you probably know, and but might not know the story behind it. It's actually developed by a mill in Switzerland. And this really is kind of the backbone of the innovation that we're trying to put through in our line. So this mill in Switzerland is like a high-tech lab. They make a lot of stuff for the military, Olympic athletes. So it's quite unique for us to take this type of material and put into a pant. Here you have sort of an updated worker's jacket, your sort of Dickies type, or your UPS delivery man, but in a very sort of chic and modern way. It comes in an Italian stretch cotton, and it has a self-fabric puller. Underneath you can see the soft pink that I was talking about, which has a really nice gray tone to it, makes it very wearable for a lot of guys. This is our last look, and this is one of our favorite things in the line, our technical tailoring. If we would sort of describe what is a Theory suit, what is the kind of the modern suit, this would be it. It's an amazing fabric from Italy, which is a wool nylon woven with stretch in a completely soft and unstructured block. So again, perfect travel suit. Comes in a light shade of khaki, so it's a great wedding suit for your summer weddings. And it's paired back with the soft pink stretch cotton shirt.
Thanks again to Theory. And here's to our first day of Nordstrom Live. And we'll see you guys in like